Today's video is about notifications in Barberly. So let's see what we have in this video. We covered appointment notifications, reminders, settings for reminders, settings for waiting lists notifications, settings for push notifications, and notifications for barbers and stylists, and also notifications for Salon itself. So let's start from appointment notifications. Let me switch to dashboard, and so now I go to settings and notification settings. So what we have here, first push notification comes, but let's keep it for now. So here we have appointment confirmation and modified and cancellation notification setting. And so what you can do, you can disable, enable it, but of course we don't recommend to disable it. And here you have 5 policies. Let me describe them in more details, because we have same policies for all other settings. So SMS only, it means that we only send SMS, text message to client. Email only, obviously same, but email. SMS first means that system first tries to send SMS, and if SMS failed, it will send email. Here it is described if you hover with your mouse. And same for email. So if customer has email and email succeeded, system will not be sending SMS. So it just a way to save some money on notifications. And always both obviously means that system always sends both notification types. So both means SMS and email. And confirmation modified cancel, it means that notifications which is sent when client created appointment and when client or you from your side modified appointment, and when client or you cancelled appointment. What actually clients receive? They receive notifications which you can actually edit. If you go to notification templates page, you can go either from here or from messages, notification templates. So if I click this button, I'm now on notification templates page, and you can see appointment cancelled email, appointment cancelled push, appointment cancelled SMS, and same for created, for modified. And so you can just go and, for instance, open appointment created confirmation SMS and change the value here and change text. And you can see this wildcards here: barbershop name, appointment date, appointment time. Here by the link you will find the whole list of wildcards which you can use in notifications. And same for email, but email also has subject and email text a little bit more designed, but same text, and also uses wildcards. So to modify email, you just click on it, and you can use all these controls to make it more unique. Let me go back to settings. And I scroll down. So next is reminders. Reminders is a notification that is being sent to customer prior his appointment. So here you can configure absolutely same settings: SMS first, email first. And as you already know, you can modify template by clicking on this link. And here you set when system should send this notification. So default is 24 hours before appointment, but you can change it, of course. If appointment is created less than 24 hours before, like 10 hours or something, then reminder just will not be sent. Okay, so let's go back to our list. We covered appointment notification settings and reminders. Next, waiting list notifications. Waiting list notifications actually are sent when clients uses waiting list. They should, how actually waiting list works, you should first understand it. So clients, they just create a kind of query or request that they would like to have an appointment in specific date and time or with some time range. But at the moment everything is occupied, all time slots are busy. And if you change something, I don't know, some client canceled his appointment, or you added more stylists, or you changed the working schedule of your barber stylist, that caused some changes in, new appointment time appeared. And if it matches client's requests, they receive notification like we found new time slots available for your appointment. Please go and create your appointment. And this is what they receive. So here you can configure what they should receive: SMS, email, or actually same policies: email first, SMS first, or always both. And the last settings, it's about failed notifications, because quite often you can have wrong phone number or email, or client just doesn't have email or doesn't have SMS. For instance, here you said email only, but when you try, but then system tried to send, it finds out that actually email is absent. So it should let you know somehow that it failed to send notification. And same with the phone, so you set SMS only, but when time actually came to send SMS, we found out that phone number is absent, or phone number is wrong, or something else happened. In this case, you can set this: notify me on email about failed notifications. If you check it, you will be receiving all errors on email and also in chat here. So think about it, because it's not always good. It depends, because our practice shows that you can receive quite a lot of notifications like this. So it helps, because if it only helps if you do some action. So if you received a notification that email failed because it absent, then you go and fix this email, then it makes sense, because next time it will work fine. But if you just ignore such notifications, then probably just uncheck this checkbox, because it will annoy you. So next, push notification settings. So here we cover SMS and email, but also on the top we have push notifications. So push notifications, they work somehow on top of your SMS email notification settings. So what it means? It means that here you can configure policies, what system should do if push notification succeeded. So why we ask like this is because not all clients have push notifications, and not even if they use mobile app, it doesn't mean that they have push notifications activated, because they can disable it, right? So here we ask you what we should do if push succeeded. So first of all, yes, you can disable push notifications, but we don't recommend to do it. And so if push notification, first policy, if push notification succeeded, prevent sending SMS and or email. Actually here it means that if push succeeded, don't send anything else. So next policy is if push notification succeeded, send email and prevent sending SMS. So it's again for saving some money because, as you know, SMS messages only partially included in a package. So emails are all included, SMS no. So here we suggest that even if push notification succeeded, still send email but don't send SMS. For instance, if you have SMS only policy and push notification succeeded with this policy, nothing will be sent. If you have email only policy, of course push and email will be sent. If you have always both policy, only email will be sent because we ignore SMS based on this policy. Yeah, and so on. So if you have SMS first policy, it actually means that again only email will be sent because SMS will be marked as something that doesn't need to be sent. And policy number 4 is if push notifications succeeded anyway, still send email and or SMS as defined in related policy. So regardless of succeeded push notification or not, we still follow policy which you configured here and here, so and here. It means that it all works on top of all these policies. So default is this one, but we recommend to set a default to this. If push notification succeeded, then you can just send maybe email just to make sure that customer received something and no need to send SMS. Okay, so this is about push, but yes, so remember that not all clients have push notifications. This is the reason. So the good thing would be if everyone has it, and we would not need to send SMS and emails at all. But the real life is that only I don't know, 60, maybe 70% of customers normally activate push notifications, and some customers, they also don't use mobile app. They can, for instance, book from web or from widget, and or you create appointments from Portal or Barberly Business mobile app, and in all these cases, client doesn't receive push notifications if he activated them, yes, he will receive. But if he didn't yet activate it and you created appointment from Portal, system just will not know that he should activate push notifications because maybe customer doesn't yet have mobile app or something. So yeah, only 60-70% of clients have push notifications. So just remember this. Okay. Notifications for barbers and stylists. We are often asked how barbers and stylists can receive notifications on email or SMS about appointments. This is quite simple. So you go to Salon and to your barbers list. You select stylist or barber. And here you have two checkboxes. Texting appointment notifications or email appointment notifications. So obviously, first of all, barber should have a phone number here. So if he doesn't have phone number, we can't send SMS to him. So you just put some phone number and you check this checkbox, and from this point, barber will be receiving notifications about appointments, his appointments only. On his phone, and absolutely same for email. So you put email here and you mark checkbox email appointment notifications, and with such setup, system will be sending always both SMS and email. And so if you want to receive just emails, just do like this. I think this one is clear. And notifications for Salon. So there are some settings for Salon itself. If you are independent barber, it's probably same for you, like here or as a salon. But if you are salon with several or more barbers, you also need to configure settings for Salon. So we can go from here to Salon settings, so you can switch to settings and also go to Salon settings. And there are a few settings here which are related to notifications. So first of all is an address for sent emails. This is as it says here, so your clients will be receiving notifications from you from this email address. So it will be email address which is used for send notifications. So here is next settings is email address for notifications. Again, as it says here, you will be receiving notifications from Barberly to this email address, because sometimes we send you something, and this will be an address for communications. And probably last important setting for notifications is a SMS sent from or alphanumeric or alphabetical sender ID. And here it says barbershop. What it means? It means that when your clients receive notifications about created appointment, reminders, any notifications on phone, on their phone, means SMS notifications. So if a mobile operator that which is used by client supports alphanumeric senders, this name will be displayed as a sender of such notification. So you basically can change it on your shop number. So here we have house 13 as a testing salon. So I can put here house 13, and clients will be receiving SMS from house 13. So it will not be just some default phone number, but will be such alphanumeric sender. Not all mobile operators support this feature. So if operator doesn't support such feature, notification will be sent just from some phone number. So and clients will see this phone number as a sender. But in most cases and in most countries, alphanumeric works. So just use it. Okay, and I think we covered all notifications. So the idea of such complexity in settings is to cover all possible cases, and maybe to save some money on SMS notifications. So we are quite flexible. We list you all cases, and maybe you can consider for some cases which are less important for you, you can send emails. And for cases which are more important for you, send SMS. And also, of course, push notifications. And also is an option to make notifications like cheaper. I mean, to reduce the number of SMS notifications. Okay, that's it. So see you in next videos, and as always, if you have questions, just ask here in chat.